Hello, welcome to the video. And I'm gonna talk about how I added the option to change the font in the notepad, and also change the background color in it as well, which I can show in the example. Like if we have this notepad here, I can click on the font and change the font of the selected font. Like if I choose, for example, Times, it will change the font to Times. And then we also have the color, which also has a selected color, which then changes the background color into the chosen color, pretty much. And how I done it is with the for example, for the font, I created the window so that the buttons can be shown with the selected font, and with those buttons will be a command with the function for those selected or specific fonts. So it will say it will change the font of text A, which is the main writing part of Notepad, and then it will destroy the window in which you had the options. And same with color, but instead of having the buttons for fonts, it will be buttons for colors like yellow or light blue. And with the functions for those buttons, it will instead change the background of a text A, I mean, and then it will close the window. That's all that I added. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.